What's up guys, welcome to a new vlog. Ray here, excited to bring to you another video unboxing of the Tom Sachs and Nikecraft general purpose shoe. Oh my god, that's a long name. Alright, let's get into this, but before we do that guys, you already know, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much. This shoe, I have been buzzing to get it in my collection and it is finally here. I've been rocking it for the last few days, but I just put it back in the box just to show you guys. This is a quick review of the general purpose shoe by Tom Sachs and Nikecraft. I got it right here with me. So as you can see, I got the box here and it is amazing. The Nikecraft on the top of the box, and then when you turn around you got the Nikecraft and the swoosh also there, and Tom Sachs on top, general purpose shoe, and on this side Nikecraft with the swoosh again, and turn around this side also got the same but with the sizing. So I got a size 11.5 women or size 10 men. That one feels better. I'm going to talk quickly. We're going to talk about the sizing also, but let's just look at the box and enjoy this craftsmanship of Tom Sachs. And on the bottom of the box it says unless do more, unless do more. All right, this is my second pair. On let's do more. All right, I got two pairs of this because I can't just get enough of just one really. All right, that's the box. When you open the box, you got a quick reading up there, and I'm just gonna quickly read for you guys. Nikecraft shoes are manufactured to the exact specification of a champions athlete throughout the world. The design and construction of Nikecraft products support all the activities of your life and tell your story. Blah 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 blah. All right, that's on the inside. It goes on, and then also on the inside, just here, you got the markers that looks like bullets, but they are just markers. All right, Tom Sachs, I've been buzzing to get the Mars 2.0 Tom Sachs, but I couldn't get them. But this ones, guys, these ones I have been buzzing to get because they are general purpose. The price is right, and I got this colorway because this is my favorite colorway. I don't mind really. This is the sulfur colorway. All right, I'm just gonna quickly put this box on the side. The sulfur colorway. This is the shoe, guys. Oh my god. Tom Sachs. Oh my god. Where should I start? All right. You got the pull. You got two of the pull straps, I should call them. Pull straps on the back and pull straps on the front, just to put on the shoe. And you got the Tom Sachs signature Nike logo on the back. You got a swoosh on this side, and oh my god, on the inside it really looks amazing. That's the sole, the insole, Nikecraft swoosh down on there. It feels comfortable. I just said on the in the beginning of this video, it is really comfortable. Although it doesn't look very comfortable, it is so comfortable, and it's really like I've worn it like for almost 2 weeks now. It really goes well with your foot, and I would suggest, if you're going for sizing, go, if you have wider foot, well, go true to size. But if you really have well, not so wide foot, I would suggest to go a half a size down, because these ones I'm normally at 10.5. I went to have a size down, they feel amazing, no problem at all. So and if you also have a chance to try them before you buy them, that will be amazing. But this, after a while, they just feel so amazing. They just feel so good on your foot. On the sole, it's just like the waffle sole. It is really good grip, amazing. And on this side, oh my god, this shoe, it is amazing. I've even worn it when it was raining, and it's still holding up so perfectly, so well. All right, this is the general purpose shoe, Nikecraft with Tom Sachs. And on the tongue, it's a breakthrough tongue, meshy like. I like the material too that I made it with, so thin. And the support on the heel up here, this support, it feels so good on your foot. Really amazing. Tom Sachs really outdid himself. All right guys, and I love this ones. So when you like untie the shoelaces, when you try to tie them on, guys, they stay on. I love this kind of laces, very thin, they stay on, they don't untie themselves like the round laces. I don't know if everyone has this kind of problem that I sometimes have with the round laces. These ones are just perfect. It is, for me, to be honest, shoe of the year. But comment down below, guys, let me know what you guys think of the Tom Sachs collaboration with Nike again, with the general purpose shoe. This shoe, it is it for me, and in this colorway, it is just amazing. All right, that's one side. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Don't forget, guys, be kind to one another. Peace.